In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Agile backlog in ClickUp. Let's start by opening ClickUp on your browser or the desktop app and signing in. This will take you to your workspace, where we'll build a clean, Agile-friendly structure that your whole team can follow. Keeping things organized from the start makes sprint planning and tracking much smoother. First, create a dedicated Agile space. Click on Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Agile Projects. A space is like a container for all your Agile work, and giving it a clear name helps keep it separate from other areas in your workspace. Inside this space, create folders for each of your projects, such as Project A and Project B. Folders are great for grouping related lists, so every project has its own place for backlog items, sprint tasks, and completed work. Now, inside each project folder, add 3 lists to manage your workflow: Product Backlog, Sprint Backlog, and Completed. The Product Backlog holds all your user stories, features, and bug fixes. The Sprint Backlog contains the items you've selected for the current sprint. Completed is your archive of finished tasks, which helps track progress over time. By the way, if you're installing ClickUp or accessing it online for the first time, you'll find the official download link and website link right at the top of the description. Use those to get the app or open the web version quickly. Next, start adding tasks to represent each backlog item. Create a task for every user story, feature, or bug fix. For example, implement login authentication, design dashboard UI, fix API bug, or write unit tests. Give each task a clear title and a brief description so teammates know exactly what's expected. To make tracking easy, add fields like priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority helps you sequence work, assignee clarifies ownership, and due date helps keep the team on schedule. Status is essential for visibility and reporting. For statuses, use a simple flow like to do, in progress, and completed. This keeps your process clear and makes it easy for everyone to understand where work stands. You can refine the wording later to match your team's style, but starting simple is best. Finally, monitor progress using list view or board view. List view is perfect for detailed sorting and filtering, while board view gives you a visual Kanban layout where you can drag tasks between statuses. Use whichever helps your team plan and execute sprints more confidently. That's it. You now have a ClickUp setup to track backlogs efficiently, helping your team plan, prioritize, and execute Agile sprints smoothly. Thanks for watching.